Hello everyone, my name is Angela Soltan. I'm representing the State University of Moldova, and I'm the chair of the Working Group 3 on language rights. And during this last edition of the training school of the project Language in the Human-Machine Era, within our working group, we prepared training materials on the AI race and language rights, speaking to and through technology in the human-machine era. We discussed with the trainees the new meanings of language rights within the context of the AI race. Also, we discussed whether technology solves the problem of multilingual communication, if there is any problem. It's a topic to be studied more in depth. We also discussed whether technology are enhancing accessibility and whether it's a solution when the crisis strikes. We are currently witnessing an escalating AI race, which is a global competition among nations, corporations, and research institutions to develop increasingly advanced AI technology. And in this context, language and language processing are at the core of this increasingly sophisticated AI. What are language rights in this context? Well, if you go online, you can find a lot of definitions. Definitions formulated by the UN, United Nations experts, definitions formulated by scholars. And during the training school, we offered our trainees many options. They had to choose among many definitions and award the highest score to those definitions that, in their opinions, represent the best the language rights within the human-machine era. And interestingly enough, the highest score was awarded to two definitions, both formulated by the ChatGPT, so by the large language models. And those definitions say that language rights are mostly the rights of individuals to use, preserve, and access their languages, and also their right to communicate, express themselves, and access information and services in the languages of their choice, whether interacting with human or machines. In this context, imagine a world where you can't access vital information during a crisis or even in your day-to-day life because it's only available in a language you don't understand, or you can have both a language you don't understand and a technological tool you're unable to use for various reasons. And this is a growing concern as technology development can outpace our human ability to ensure equal and equitable access to everyone. According to the International Telecommunication Unit, as of September 2013, with around 67% of population, global population being online, that's mean, and well, with the level of technological development, this means that the access to information and public services and commercial services people use in their day-to-day life has never been easier. But at the same time, through technology, it's an easy access to disinformation and misinformation, and there are a lot of other different online threats. At the same time, around 33% of the global population remain unconnected. But even among those 67%, not everyone is represented. Not all languages are equally represented online. And some communities still have limited access to technology or not access at all. What steps can we take in these conditions to ensure representation and equity? First of all, the development and deployment of AI language technologies must be guided by serious regulation and ethical frameworks. And these frameworks, they need to ensure a meaningful participation from diverse communities, researchers, and public authorities. At the same time, AI-based technology should be developed and used as a means to enhance individual and societal human well-being rather than as an end in and of itself. Also, it's very important that individuals and communities have access and have the right to choose whether they interact with humans or machines, regardless of their reasons. So it's part of their freedoms. And if you want more information, if you want to get in contact with us, please reach out, follow the link, visit our site, and let's stay in contact. Thank you.